Prayas Foundation is a Delhi-based NGO founded in 2018 with the vision to support society by undertaking holistic development initiatives. We work at the grassroots to provide sustainable environmental solutions and promoting preventive healthcare and holistic education to the underprivileged. As one of the initiatives, we have launched Project Green Institutions to implement green infrastructure at the institutions like hospitals, colleges, and other institutes where a large number of people reside. Also, we are working towards spreading awareness on the topic which is so important to mankind and its survival. So today we welcome our keynote speaker, Mr. J.P. Gupta. Sir, please. Yes. Sir, please.
आगे सर
Sir, बैठेंगे
बैठिए
सेंटर. Our distinguished guest, Mr. A.J. Philip. He is a senior journalist and former CEO of Dibalya NGO. So please. Then Ms. Smita, MD and CEO of Health Insurance TPA of India. Welcome, ma'am.
क्या मैम
Dr. Atul Wadhwa. He is a consultant at Max Hospital, Saket. And Anshul Agarwal, environmental consultant of Navjeevan Prayas Foundation.
बैठे बैठे यहीं पर आ जाओ वहाँ बैठने का आपने बनाया हुआ
इनका क्योंकि इनका तो सारा काम पीछे है,
पीछे
चलते रहेंगे ये. डॉक्टर सुमन कुमारी, मेडिकल सुपरिटेंडेंट दीपचंद बंधु हॉस्पिटल. इंद्र सिंह, डायरेक्टर PhD चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स. सर
वहीं पर देखो ये बैठ को नहीं PhD.
And now we welcome all the doctors team and paramedical team from Deepchand Hospital, our distinguished guests, donors, and all the guests whom I have not mentioned, but still they are there with us. Now I would like to introduce Mr. Rajiv Gupta. He is an eminent management guru. Mr. Rajiv Gupta runs a boutique consulting firm called RDI, Resource Development of India. He is strongly involved in nation building and has been working closely with the European Union, IITs and CSIR on improving trade practices, education standards and industry academia interface in order to create India as a world leader on all fronts. He is an alumnus of IIT BHU. For his exemplary excellence, he has been invited to serve as director on various boards that include corporate, startups, universities. After years of work on these fronts, he decided to give back to the grassroots level and is the founder he's the co-founder at the NJP. He will now take you through all the programs and introduce all our guests also.